business news, it's emerging that Kenyans paid more for fuel for the year ended July 2022 due to the government's failure to disburse funds owed to oil marketers on time. The delay on the government side to remit the fuel subsidy to oil marketing companies affected their cash flows, leading to slow uptake of fuel from the port. As a result, Kenyans had to pay more in demurrage fees for vessels that arrived with fuel but could not offload. This led to a higher pass-through cost to the consumers.
In terms of demurrage, it's one of the issues that has been a pain at the pump, and demurrage has been on account of a couple of issues in the recent past, particularly the period of audit, even where we sit today. One is the issue of the constrained infrastructure, which the government already took active steps through the development of KOT2, the Kipevu Oil Terminal 2, that will allow for discharge of up to 3 vessels at any one particular time. The other intervention has been around the increase of pipeline capacity and flow rates between Nairobi and Mombasa through Line 5. The other is increasing storage capacity in terms of tank farms within Mombasa so that we're able to contain vessels and not have them part discharging and having to wait for quite a number of time, for quite some time in Mombasa. The other one, which is a structural issue, which was an account of the subsidy program which we had employed as a country, has been the evacuation rate. Because we operate a multi-product pipeline, because of this multi-product pipeline, you can only push enough product as much as it's being evacuated. So your evacuation rates had been significantly hampered during the period of stabilization on account of the delays in paying the subsidy payments.